Where does the name for Cardiff, or Caerdydd, come from? So today I'm in Cardiff, or Caerdydd. It's the capital city of Wales. Let's get into the name.
Caerdydd and Cardiff are both fascinating names in their own right, but by looking at both of them, we can unlock the meaning of the name for the capital city of Wales. Both Caerdydd and Cardiff both start with the same root word, and that's Caer. It means a fortress, and it's ultimately from a Proto-Celtic root, meaning an enclosure. The second half is more complicated. In English, diff, and in Welsh, dydd. This ending has led to a lot of different theories, including that it means day, from Welsh dydd, diff as a short form of dyffryn, meaning valley, and even Didi, the name of a giant or a Roman governor. But the most likely one is that it's a form of a name for the River Taff or the Afon Taf. According to two specialists in the area, Hywelwyn Owen and Richard Morgan, this is the most likely explanation as well. In medieval records, we can see that the name is recorded as Caerdydd in various forms, but over time the ending has changed in Welsh to the and in English to f, diverging but keeping the same root. So how did Taf become Dyf? It first soft mutated to Dav, as in Llandav. In earlier Brythonic, nouns changed form depending on their grammatical role, and here Tyf is a genitive form meaning of the Tav. The Romans recorded a name, Tamion, linked to the river, an earlier Brythonic form of Tav. This connects it to an older root tam, which originally was thought to mean dark, but now is generally considered to mean to flow, and it can be seen in rivers like the Thames and the Tower. The roots of Cardiff go back thousands of years, with evidence of settlement here for over 8,000 years. Before the Romans, this was likely Silures territory, a Celtic tribe of South Wales. The Romans built a fort here around AD 75, on the site of today's castle, and although it was later abandoned, a new stone fort was constructed in the 3rd century to defend against sea raiders. After the Romans, the area became part of the kingdom of Glywysing, later Glamorgan, before the Norman conquest in the 1100s. The city remained relatively small until industrialisation in the late 1700s, when the docks transformed it into the major urban centre we know today.
So the name literally means the fortress on the River Taff, the Afon Taf. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.